Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota CHR steering wheel airbag. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting at least 90 seconds before proceeding. This ensures the airbag system is fully de-energized. Next, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and then lock it to prevent any movement during the process. You will then need to locate the two small access holes found on each side of the steering wheel. Now take a small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into one of the access holes you just located. You will need to push the screwdriver inward to release the spring clip that holds the airbag module in place. You should feel a slight click or resistance as the clip disengages. Repeat this exact process for the other side of the steering wheel to release the second spring clip. With both spring clips released, you can now gently pull the airbag module forward from the steering wheel. Be careful not to pull too hard as it's still connected by wires. You will see two electrical connectors, typically yellow and black. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs and pulling them apart. Finally, unclip the ground wire, which is usually a small black wire, from the airbag module itself. Once the airbag is fully disconnected, store it safely, face up, in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connectors are securely fastened and the spring clips engage properly. Always double-check your connections before reconnecting the battery. For more great tips and to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.